Alright, so today I decided to kind of do what I've already been seeing like floating around in YouTube, and it's the trying to like recreate someone's makeup tutorial that they did. So I did one from KathleenLights because I do have her Dream Street palette and I really wanted to use this in a tutorial, but I thought might as well just do one of hers. So yeah, this is the look that I got, but I think it came out pretty close, definitely not exact because she had some of the some products that I didn't. So yeah, if you want to see how I got this look and how I did following along with her, then just continue watching. Okay, so she took this shade up in the corner, so we're just going to put that into the crease like she said, and I'm taking my scone brush because she's using I think a Morphe one, and I don't have any. I have a couple, but they're not any of the like blending brushes.
I'm gonna go back into the palette and I'm gonna take the dark brown. It's called Elfish, and I'm gonna be doing the same thing kind of, but I'm not really taking this past my crease. With Shooting Star, I was kind of...
Okay, so then she took this brown shade, it's Elfish. She put it into like the crease, but the brush that she's using kind of looks like the same fluffiness of this one, so I'm just going to use the same brush, but she said she kept it lower.
Putting that everywhere, but with this shade, I'm really focusing this on the outer corners and I'm dragging it into my crease. I'm being a little bit more precise with this shade.
Okay, so then she took the shade Water Bear, which is that dark blue matte shade, and she put it in the same places as the dark brown, the Elfish shade. And I'm going in with my Coastal Scents brush. It's kind of a smaller, fluffy brush, so it's not as wide as my Scone one. Okay, so she did kind of like a half cut crease just to kind of clean up like the part that went down on the lid. So I'm just going to take my Tarte Shape Tape and cut out my crease with that because she took the ColourPop concealer and I don't have that. And then she took Kaleidoscope, which is this really pretty shade on the bottom, and she just put that on top of the concealer. I am going to spray it with Little Max Fix Plus myself because I already know it's not going to stay on my lid if not. So yeah, I'm just going to spray it a little even though that's not in the tutorial, but I want to. Okay, so she took these shades in between and kind of blended them with this shade on the corner, which is Mermaid Boy. So we're just going to try to make a gradient like she did.
Back into Water Bear just to intensify the blue because a lot of it did get blended away while we were blending all that eyeshadow. So I'm just...
Okay, and then she took Water Bear again And on the other corner, she just put it there since that mermaid boy shade kind of blended away this blue on the corner. Okay, and then she went back in with that brown shade and kind of on the top of the crease just cleaned things up. And then she took the kind of like highlighty shade here at the bottom called Moony, and she just highlighted the top of the brow bone. And she cleaned up with a makeup wipe to make a cat eye. I'm gonna clean up with some concealer because I already have the rest of my makeup on, so I would rather not take that off. So I cleaned it up with some concealer and just kind of made it sharp. And then she went in with an Urban Decay eyeliner, and I don't have an Urban Decay blue eyeliner, so I'm going to go in with the Essence Gel Eye Pencil that's kind of like the same shade of blue that she is using. It's a bit brighter than the one that she used, but it's close enough because it's the only kind of dark-ish blue that I have besides a navy one that looks just black. Okay, and then she took this shade on the bottom lash line. Okay, and then she went in with Water Bearer and I think Elfish, but yeah, so I'm just gonna start blending those out on the bottom lash line. Okay, and then she went on the inner corner with Moony again. On my inner corners, she used like a ColourPop shade that I don't have for like a highlight more in the middle. I'm gonna take this little pan right here, and it's the Balm, the Mary Luminizer highlight, and I'm gonna take that blunt brush and then spray it with MAC Fix Plus and hope that that will intensify the inner corner. Okay, so yeah, that one definitely works. So if you don't have that ColourPop highlighter, but you do have this little highlighter, then you can definitely use that as the inner corner shade, and it looks pretty much the same as what she did. Okay, so what she did is that she went on with some mascara that I don't have, and then she basically put on just like outer corner lash extensions, and I don't have any of those, and I really don't feel like putting on lashes today. So we're just gonna go in with my Tarte Lights Cameras Lashes mascara, and she did put kind of a line of black to hide that lash line. So I think I might just do one line. Actually, I think I'm just going to leave it as is and then just put on some mascara. Okay, so I don't have the lip combo that she does, so I'm going to go in with this L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Wood Lipstick in Milk and Cookies. And I know it's like a deep brown shade, but it is a nude-ish color. and I really like it. So this is my completed look. I think the lipstick is more of a nude color. I don't really go much for the really pale nudes, but yeah, I didn't do any of her face makeup during this because me and her have like two totally different like skin tones, and I also don't really have any other products she used, so I just did my normal thing and I used my Clean Matte BB cream from CoverGirl. I went in with like the Hoola bronzer, and yeah, I think it turned out really nice. If you want to see more content from me, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.